What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the H501S late night, and I got the upgraded transmitter here around my neck. I don't know if you guys can see that. This neck strap is a little short for me to show you guys the FPV, but I do have an SD card inside there, so you'll be able to see the footage. I just turned the LEDs on, and I did the calibration and all. We got 9 GPS satellites on the quad and 12 on the transmitters, so we're gonna do some late night FPV exploring out here. So let me start the video. Okay, we're recording. Okay, let's take off. We're in altitude hold mode. Let's take it up. Let's explore the regions around here. Up high enough to not really hit anything. And I can't even tell which way I'm flying. Looks like I'm coming back towards me though. Looks like we're 550 meters away. Looks like we're going farther away. So let me try to come back. Okay, we're getting closer now. Must be facing away from myself. And we're getting closer. Looks like we're all the way up there. Let me come down a little. Altitude's too high. Sheesh, how did I get all the way up there? Put on GPS lock so don't go too fast, and let's actually do a return to home, see if that'll bring it back quicker. So I activated return to home, and it's up there. Seems to be coming back. We're 180 meters up and 127 meters out, coming closer. Looks like we're right above now. Sheesh. And it appears to be coming down directly overhead, it looks like. Descending. $132 meters now, up. 1 meter away from me, so we're not that far in distance away. Looks like it's gonna land right on top of me. You guys know I don't like to fly that high. So it wasn't my intention to go that high up. And I can hear it now. Now this landing should be pretty accurate because I have 12 GPS satellites on both. I don't think I have to take control of it. Doesn't look like it's going to hit the pole right now. And it's coming down pretty accurately. Wow. There it is. Okay, so that's the Hubsan H501S night flight FPV exploration. Thanks for watching.